Good morning, students. Today we are going to know one more interesting fact about ocean. The ocean produces over half of the world oxygen and absorbs 50 times more carbon dioxide than our environment. It also regulates the climatic condition by covering 70% of the Earth's surface. The ocean transports heat from the equator to the poles, regulating our climate and weather patterns. When you look at the sea and ocean on the map, you might think they will flow into each other. It seems like only one big ocean, but people called it in different names. Not only in their names, various reasons are there why they have different names and different properties like color, etc. Okay, students, let me see one example based on this concept. Why Pacific and Atlantic Ocean are not mixed? First, the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean have different density. You can differentiate these by their color, which is called ocean clines. Here, the clines are layers within water that have different properties than the surrounding water. The next reason is hollow clines. Hollow means salt. The Atlantic Ocean is saltier than Pacific Ocean. You can understand easily through this example. When you pour salt water and fresh water into glass, you can see the differentiate of holocline between two water. The next reason is Coriolis force in Earth. The ocean water cannot mix together. The molecules which is present in this ocean also does not mix together due to Coriolis force of Earth movement. Another reason is thermoclines. Because of the differentiation of temperature, the water does not mix together. These are the reasons how geographers named the ocean and why Pacific and Atlantic Ocean do not mix together.